Hi, my name's Melinda Coletta. This is my husband, Philip Kirkin. Together we're professor chefs, and we teach you how to play with the food. Your food. Don't touch me.
You too.
Don't touch me.
Come on, tell us what we're making.
Oh, we're making pasta primavera, and we're doing it 2 ways.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, the first way we're going to do it is I'm going to try to cheat lazy me away. Is we're going to turn around and I get the pre-sliced vegetables. We're going to douse them with a little bit of olive oil, inexpensive olive oil because we're cooking with it. We the heat will go up and all the flavors go up in smoke. And then we're going to be using the balsamic vinegar. This is a lemon balsamic vinegar.
That's oil.
This is vinegar, doesn't it?
Maybe, I don't know. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay. We got this at one of the olive oil tasting stores. I think we got this in North Carolina, actually.
Maybe. So then it's going to go in the oven at 500 degrees.
500, okay.
500 degrees. So we're going to roast the vegetables that way. So that could be a nice, easy way of doing it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cook the rest of the vegetables. 1 oil, 2 olive oil, 1 canola oil. I'm using a really big saute pan, so I want to get all these things cooked relatively quickly. And the bigger surface area I have, the faster I can get it cooked. Pan's been preheated, so we drop it in. You can hear them sizzling.
Alexa off.
And I'm timing how I put things in. So the carrots are going to take the longest to cook, so those go in first. We're actually putting a little bit of broccoli in today, and what I did was I actually took the broccoli ends and I sliced them up, so we're going to use those also. So these are the broccoli ends going in.
What do you mean by broccoli ends?
So these are the crowns. So the crowns are on the stem. So this is the stem area of the broccoli. I took the bottom end of it off.
So, like, what we microwave was the flourette.
Yeah. Flourette.
And then you're putting in there the stems.
Correct.
Okay, I got it now.
We got a red pepper. And we got a Cubanelle. And green pepper. Notice I have not piled anything on top of each other just yet. Because if we did, we'd have a problem of everything sweating, and we don't want to sweat our vegetables. Microplaner, please. I use the zest of a lemon in this application.
So we use a lot of lemon zest as opposed to lemon juice because it has more flavor. And please, some people forget, always wash your lemons, limes, oranges, especially if you're going to be using the zest, because those are commonly hand-cut produce.
So that's pretty good. I'm going to give this all a good stir around.
It smells good.
Push it over to the side. I'm going to add in some yellow squash. I'm going to put a little bit more garlic in. I'll put the garlic in. I'm going to make a little hole in the center here.
Like a pool of oil.
And then add the garlic in there. It's a nice roasted garlic flavor.
And we only use sliced garlic. We don't use minced because if you use the minced garlic, it can tend to burn quickly and then end up turning bitter. So we use the slices. I'm not a fan of eating the garlic, so that's nice for me so I can just pick it out.
So I buried the garlic underneath all these vegetables because I need room for my onions. I'm not worried about burning it because I can tell by the smell. I put the onions in, getting those are nice caramelized. So the last 2 things I get to go in right now are some broccoli florets and some bok choy. And this is baby bok choy. We're using the baby bok choy because it's smaller. It's got a nice sweet taste to it.
I know a lot of people are having trouble getting some fresh produce. I've heard, there's some shortages or what have you. We went to Urban Green yesterday, which is in Providence. It's near
Top of Westminster Street.
the high school.
Right, Classical High School. And it's the other end of Westminster Street, South Providence.
Yeah. And it's excellent. They had everything there. The shelves were stocked. It's not looking like the regular grocery stores around here that are pretty empty.
So again, haven't touched this. Moving around. Nice color to it. If you look at the bottom of that pan, there's a lot of bits and bobs. Those are your fawns. This is going to give us flavor. So now I'm going to add in a little bit of the bok choy. Get that roasted up a little bit.
When you're using bok choy, cut it first and then wash it because everything hides in between these leaves.
So we're going to salt this. A little bit of pepper.
How much salt?
That was probably half a teaspoon.
Okay. Oh my God, it smells so delicious.
We're throwing the broccoli florets. This is the time of year I love finding this. I just haven't found it yet. So it's still a little bit too early.
Well, no, we did, but it was they were really thick. We liked them about the like the crispy, and they were more like
half the pasta too, just some pasta too. Can I just use the tongue of that?
Okay. Yep.
So put this pasta in here.
So now this is an important step too. It's especially important when you're doing linguine and clam sauce. Is finish cooking your pasta with the sauce that it's going to
add just a little bit more olive oil. And to give it a little bit of a tang to it, we got a little bit of balsamic vinegar to it.
So this is the inexpensive balsamic vinegar that we get in the grocery store. It's very acidic, but it's good for flavoring stuff. But we'll talk more about real balsamic vinegar in a minute. Obviously, he's getting attacked by a piece of spaghetti. all right, sorry.
Put it on there. The veggies on.
Wow, I think you need a bigger plate.
Yeah, I think so. I get over zealous.
Yeah, a little zealous on that one.
Put this one here.
Yep, I'm gonna take the
And we're going to drizzle this with some really good balsamic vinegar.
So I don't know if this is going to appear well on camera, but this is very viscous. It's almost syrup-like. This is not this is not a reduction. This is not a glaze. This is what balsamic vinegar looks like. Okay, and it's sweet. It's got a little bit of a but it's really, really good stuff. So Villa Mondadori. I always mispronounce this, but anyway, this is really good stuff.
I love roasted vegetables.
Well, those are the ones you just fried up, right?
I actually ate broccoli.
Oh my God, you ate broccoli?
You know what president didn't like broccoli?
Yes. George H.W. Bush. Yep. You proud of yourself? Okay.
I'm not going to put them in because I want them caramelized. But the goal is you want to get these all nice and brown, then dump them in your pan, make the sauce with
that. You just do the same thing, except roast the vegetables and it gives it an additional layer of flavor.
I wasn't sure if we could get it done in 10 minutes.
Yeah, we did. But anyway, let's put it on there. So that's it for the pasta primavera, correct?
Correct.
So later this week, tomorrow we're going to do a roast chicken with lemon and homemade croutons. We're going to be making chicken croquettes. If you don't know what those are, Google it. We're going to be making a curried chicken salad, and then we're going to be making a rice pudding.
Finish up with rice pudding.
And then on Saturday at 2 p.m., we're going to do another live event, but it's going to be longer. And we are selling tickets. It's $7 per household. We'll send you how to get into the Zoom. You go to Zoom and you can watch us making homemade mozzarella, ricotta, and a yogurt cheese.
Where do you get the tickets?
Online. So
we're online.
So you would either go to our Professor Chef website, professorchef.com, or on Facebook, if we're one of the events, and you can click on that, and that brings you to our website. Okay. And that's it. I think that's everything. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.